How's everyone doing this evening? Well, evening for me, maybe day for you. So we got a cow a few weeks ago that you guys probably saw from a previous video, and she came pregnant. But as you know, in homesteads and farms, things can go wrong all the time. And the cow miscarried 2 weeks ago, and she was supposed to be due in June. So we've been milking her. She's been doing all right. She took a few days to recover. But the sad thing is we don't have a calf. So now we have the guy who sold us the cow had some bull calves just born the other day. So now Kristen went down to pick him up today, and we will meet the new bull calf, which Moonbeam, which you might be able to hear Moon in the background there, is hopefully going to race, and then we'll use him as a meat cow. So let's walk over and go meet him. I haven't seen him yet. It might be hard to see because it's dark out, but I think we're going to get him into the barn here and see how he does. Okay, it's hard to see, but so hello. We'll have to go take him inside where it's light. Looks like a little deer. Yeah. A little Jersey cow deer. You're so cute, aren't you? Okay. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look how cute he is. Looks like a little baby deer. Oh my.
He looks like a full-grown baby.
He's really snuggly.
He's probably
He's
probably confused, doesn't know where he is. Sorry for the poor light here. I'm just in the barn here. Guys, you might not want to play with him too much because he's kind of scared and nervous. Aren't ya? Aren't ya?
Okay, he's not mean.
He doesn't know where his mama is.
Yeah, we're gonna. It's okay. I'll hold him. He's not gonna hurt you.
Do you want me to go grab Moonbeam?
I have to milk
Or,
her out.
okay.
Hey, I got him. It's okay. Do you want to pet his nose? Oh, he's looking for food. Look. He says, "Are you my mama?"
I'll come back in the morning tomorrow to enjoy some better footage because it's really dark in the barn even with the light on. But she was born yesterday, you said, Kristen?
Yeah, he was born yesterday morning.
He was born yesterday morning. He's still wobbling on his feet. He's just sucking on her finger now, looking for some food. So Kristen's going to get Moonbeam and milk her quickly. And then I think we're going to try to put her on Moonbeam tonight, right? Yeah, we're going to try to get her on Moonbeam, or him on Moonbeam, so that she can start feeding him. Here's Mama Moonbeam. Well, foster mama, I guess. Oh, hello. Hello, little cow. How you doing? Oh, new on your feet, are ya? You dancing? Oh, he just wants to cuddle. Okay, so Kristen's going to bring over the new calf so we can try to get her fed, or him. Keep calling her. I'm so used to Moonbeam. So she's going to bring him over. He can barely walk. It's pretty cute. Looks like a drunken sailor. Come on, little drunken sailor calf. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. He's sniffing around, seeing what's going on.
It's hard to latch it, but it's still latched.
Oh, Moonbeam.
I like walking.
Just going to introduce them right now quickly. More so you can see the light hopefully better. Oh, he found the milk. Good job. Look at that. So Moonbeams. Oh, we should milk. Yeah, we should move the milk because that could be disastrous.
You looking for your milk?
Oh yeah. So this is going pretty good. He's still trying to figure out how to stand.
Other end, buddy.
Moonbeam doesn't know what to think. He's kind of confused. Gotta teach him how to nurse here. Oh, wrong spot. No, not the leg. Down lower. Oh.
There you go. Oh,
Look at that.
good mama.
Oh my goodness, he's so cute.
You found you a baby, didn't you?
I think she's happy.
Saying hi.
There we go. Introducing the new cow.
One needs to learn how to move.
Yeah, you will.
He's a hungry little one. What do you think, Moonbeam?
Annoying when you learn how to move.
Yes, you happy?
It is kind of annoying when you do it. Your eyes are a little runny today.
She's crying with tears of joy because she has a baby again after her little miscarriage. There we go. So, oh, gosh, we gotta relatch her because she just, oh, oh,
Free on here.
yeah. Should I get some shavings for her?
Well, I might just be able to hold her in the stall.
Okay.
Because she's okay with it. She's not kicking or anything.
Yeah.
Just because it's less slippery for her.
All right, there we go. Introducing the new bull calf to Moonbeam. Seems to be going good so far. I'm not sure if she knows what she's thinking about it right now, but hopefully it goes well in the next few days. So hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video on the new baby calf, because I know Kristen's pretty happy having a new baby cow. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share around, and keep up to date to our homesteading journeys here.